What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing? What's going on, you guys? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing? What's up, you guys? Hey, I miss you. Mwah, 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 mwah. All that good stuff. Hey, I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, you guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I welcome you here, okay? Okay, we love you here. I love each and every one of you, you guys. We are soaring by leaps and bounds as far as our members, and I just can't thank you enough. I say it in every video, but I'm going to keep saying it, okay? Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Also, don't forget, click a like and subscribe, y'all. If you're new, click the like button, the subscribe button, and like is just this, and dislike is that. You can click thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, we ain't got that button. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope you share the video, leave a comment. We don't proclaim to be professionals here. All of my skinny boy gardeners, y'all know we're not professionals. So if you think everything that we do and say is going to be 100% by the book, because I don't even think that there is a garden book that can tell you something that works 100%. Everything is trial and error, and it's up to who? Mother Nature. Hallelujah for Mother Nature. Thank you, God. Thank y'all for being here. Welcome. Today, I'm going to talk about a question that I got again today. And as I go through the comments, you guys, trust and believe me, I'm reading your comments. I work a full-time job at the hospital, you know that, and I have to come home and take her home and try to make a video for you guys, which I love. You're the best. If I could do it all day, I would, which is my goal. So anyway, don't forget, click like and subscribe. You guys are making it possible for me to turn my dreams into a reality. But yeah, everybody's asking, when do I pick my tomato? Ooh, a fly just flew in my eye. A fly flew in my eye. Whoa, that's a rhyme. Don't y'all steal that? A fly just flew in my eye. Sorry. But anyway, yeah, when do I pick my tomatoes? When do I pick my peppers? When do I pick my cucumber? When do I pick? When do I pick my stuff? That's all I want to know. And it's hot out here, y'all, so I can't stay out here long because I ain't trying to fall out. Because you know I will. In a minute, you be calling 911 YouTube. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. So, every zone, every time frame, everybody's garden, every variety of tomato, they have their own time and place to be picked to do whatever you want to do with them, okay? And what I mean by that is I like fried green tomatoes. Some of my tomatoes are not made just to be green, even though I grew some that are going to be just totally green. They're not supposed to turn, but back in the day, we had the green ones. They were unripened, which means they weren't ready yet. They weren't red. You get those bad boys, you can slice those up. I put a little salt and pepper, sprinkle a little sugar on both sides, dip them in some flour back and forth, or you can make up your own cornmeal and deep fry them suckers. Okay. Ooh, y'all just made me hungry. Excuse me. I need to call my mama, because hers are the best. But anyway, it's up to you, you guys. If you want juicy red tomatoes, let them stay on the vine. You can also get juicy red tomatoes when you take them off the vine, okay? So you can let your tomatoes ripen on or off the vine. Sometimes we have to pick early because the rodents or the birds or whatever, sometimes they'll find it, they'll go and tell their friends. Yeah, y'all, they talk to each other. They be like, this going over to Skinny Boy Farms. He got some stuff going on over there. And that's one thing we ain't have, because we ain't got no money to be giving away to them birds like that. We ain't got no money. I give them some seeds. Shoot. But yeah, you guys, it's part of Mother Nature. So sometimes they'll see that big old juicy red tomato come out and take 1 or 2 bites. That's the part. They'll come out. It don't just have to be the birds. I ain't gonna blame it on the Lord's birds. Lord, thank you for the birds. It could be anything. Rabbit, squirrel, deer, whatever you are going through in your area, and they come and take that one bite or pull that one juicy tomato that you had sitting and waiting, had your eyes on. You just knew you was going to tear that thing up tomorrow. You knew that in your soul. And you come out there and they got that one nugget in it. You don't even want it no more. All they got that one little tooth mark, like it was a one-tooth snagger-puss paddle-plus. Who knew? Just that one mark. I be like, what did the bird got? Well, the bird got a beak, but yeah, maybe that's what it is. But I done got heated all over again because they've gotten me so many times with my vegetables. But I love Mother Nature, so if I can feed them a little bit here and there, all right. So anyway, see these green tomatoes here? Yes. Now these are just some of my regular Rutgers. Either they're Rutgers or mortgage lifters, one or the other. But I don't want to pick those yet. They're nice and soft, but they're not as big as I would like them for fried green tomatoes. And these are on my deck. Okay. Also, here's a pepper. Now I know this is a red bell pepper, you know, because I documented it. It's a red bell pepper. And I don't want to pick my red bell pepper when it's green like this. Now, with your tomatoes will ripen off of the vine. You can pick these right now. Sit them aside, sit them in a windowsill, not too much sun, but a brown paper bag, a cardboard box, leave them in a shaded area, not scorching hot. They'll ripen. Yeah, some people say it's not as sweet as on the vine, but that's understandable. We had to pick them early, but it's okay. A little salt and pepper and mayonnaise, I won't even know the difference. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks so much for being here. Now, with the pepper, if I pick this early, it's going to stay like that. In my experience, it's not going to keep changing till it's full red color, because it's not getting everything that it needs to produce that sweet, juicy red color. So I don't pick it early. I leave it right there just like that. But like I said, there is no wrong or right way to know when to pick your tomatoes. If you have a yard that's covered and you don't have to worry about any of the birds and the bees, I toned my voice down a little bit, y'all, because I have my neighbors across the street and I don't want them to think I'm over here going crazy. Okay. Thank you. I don't care though. But anyway, I love them and I respect them. Always respect your neighbors when you're growing and when you're not growing. Just be respectful to your surroundings. Be kind to people and people will be kind to you. Which leads me to thank you guys for ordering all the t-shirts. Oh my God. You guys are the best. But back on subject, I'm sorry. Y'all know how I lose it. Let me show you these corn that we planted the other day. Remember I told you those seeds were going to come right on up? And you can plant your second batch of corn right now. See? Look at them. Already coming up. But yeah, you guys. So I don't want to pick these right now when they're this color. But if I want to let them turn super duper red, they take forever. And forever is just a long, strong word. But yeah, don't think that your tomatoes are never going to turn. They are going to turn red eventually. And the same thing with your peppers. If you know your pepper is supposed to be a red or a yellow, just leave it alone. Give it time. Unless it's being damaged by a pest or weather or insects or fungi, don't pull it too soon. You don't have to. Yep, you can leave it just like it is. And that goes for your peppers, your tomatoes, your cucumbers, anything that you don't know. When should I pick this? Okay. So like over here, you know, see how she has all of her beauty just going? I don't want to bother that. I don't want to disturb that. Oh, and it smells so good, you guys. And they're growing so tall. Yeah. Over here is our black pepper. This is a black Zulu pepper that I planted from seed from the Baker Creek collection. And she has come to ripen. So now is the time I would just go in, and I like to leave the stem on mine, so I go close to the mother plant and I pull off about this much. See? And this is our black pepper. Some people say it's purple, some people say it's black, some people call it Zulu, whatever color you want to call it or name you want to give it. But on the inside of this pepper, you'd be surprised. It's absolutely green. And when you cook it, it turns green. Isn't that amazing? Yes, just like your purple potted peas. No, your peas will not be purple when you cook them. They are going to turn to green beans. So, let's take a look over here. And you say, okay, well, when do I pick my cucumber? I don't know. You know, some of you may say that, I don't know. This cucumber here, I believe this is one of our market moors. Right here. And I know I want it bigger than this. See, it's about that size. I want it bigger. So I'm just going to let it grow a little more. Yeah. It's your personal preference, you guys. No one can tell you when and when not to pick your vegetables, unless it's something that you absolutely, if you pick it too early, it's gonna ruin it. But other than that, you can pick your things when you want to pick your things. Okay, you guys, it's your God. You can do what you want to do, because ain't nobody gonna give you no money to put into it. Okay, I'm just kidding. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay. This is your Skinny Boy Randy. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff in it, and you guys, you are the best.